How to move apps to another page on the iPad. Let's dive right into it. First of all, with one finger, tap and hold on the application that you would like to move to another page. Then you will see all the icons start wiggling. Then move to the edge. And just like that, you can easily move an application to another page on your iPad. You can even move multiple applications at the same time to a new page. Here's how you do it. First of all, with one finger, tap and hold on an application. You will then see all the applications start wiggling. Now with the second finger, tap on the application that you would like to move as well. You can repeat that process to add more. And as you can see now, we have these apps stacked on each other now. We can see that by this little number 5, which means we are now moving a stack with 5 applications. Then go to the edge of the screen. And just like that, we moved 5 applications at the very same time to a new page on the iPad. Just press somewhere in the empty space on your iPad to make sure the icons stop wiggling. And you're all done. Last but not least, you can also go to the last page here, and you can also move applications out of these groups here. It works in the very same way. Just tap and hold on an application, and you can then move it to the desired screen. Tap somewhere in an empty area to make sure the items stop wiggling. And you're all done. And this is how you move applications to another page on the iPad. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more iPad tutorials.